Qualcomm has made the most important part of the S23 series official, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. It will make the absolute make or break difference when it comes to the performance, battery life, camera enhancements and much more. According to Ice Universe, who reveals that Samsung will use an exclusive high-frequency version of the just-announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the Galaxy S23 family in Europe one-upping all of his competitors in the process. Ice Universe published an alleged benchmark runs results from Geekbench 5, showing that the upcoming S23 Ultra model number SMS918B achieves a 1504 single-core score and a 4580 multi-core score while running Android 13 of course. Those scores are slightly lower than what we've seen before. The prototype which was tested had 8 GB of RAM. The Cortex-X3-based Creo Prime core is shown running at 3.36 up from 3.2 GHz in the non-Samsung version of the SoC, though the other 7 cores' frequencies area aren't changed. It is unclear how much of a difference this will make in real-life usage scenarios, but it will surely be a nice thing for Samsung to brag about. The online benchmark reveals that the European Galaxy S23 Ultra tested today has the same motherboard designation Kalama as the US variant, which virtually confirms that the phone will hit the shelves in Europe carrying the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of a phone, and Qualcomm has made massive improvements here. Is 435% more powerful than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and this power can be used by the camera to distinguish which parts of the image are faces, hair, clothes, background, etc., and apply different processing accordingly. The chipset also brings support for hardware-accelerated ray tracing, the Snapdragon platform that adds more lifelike light reflections and illuminations to mobile games, with major chipset vendors providing ray tracing hardware for Android. And we may finally see mobile game developers take advantage of the new technology in the same way they have PC and console games. We also get video performance up to 8K HDR in 10-bit at 30 frames per second. But this power Samsung might finally unlock the true uncropped 8K video on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.